Good evening, everyone. My name is Christian Perez, and I will discuss why GMOs can be the single best alternative to solve the world hunger crisis in the forthcoming decades and help us to protect our natural environment. But first, a little history. We humans, since we learned to farm, have been genetically modifying the organisms around us by selectively breeding them to get their better traits, the traits that suit us. For example, take the watermelon. The watermelon at the beginning was a really small fruit, about the size of a baseball, and it had a hard pulp and it was bitter. Nothing unlike the watermelon that we currently have today. But what's the problem with selective breeding? That it took us 5,000 years to have the watermelon reach the stage that it has nowadays because selective breeding is a random process. We cannot control 100% what the offspring is going to look like. But with the GMO technology, we can actually get the genes that we want for a certain trait and insert it in the next generation. So we can get amazing results in just a few plant generations, for example. With this new technology, we can help greatly the environment by making crops and cattle that require less resources like water and land, potentially saving a lot of forest and wildland areas. We can make crops that have their own pesticides, reducing the harmful chemical pesticides that damage the ozone layer, contaminate the soil, and can make farmers sick. Also, it will improve the production of food, helping us with the world hunger crisis that is prognosticated due to the exponential increase in population. Uh, some studies say, for example, in Africa, the population will grow from 1 billion to 5 billion people in the next century. We need crops that are resistant to diseases, to climate adversity, and to grow in less time and with bigger productivity, bigger fruits, bigger results, just to supply the increasing food demand that the world is gonna have and will continue having. That's why the GMOs are the single best alternative to solve the world hunger crisis and help the environment in doing so. Thank you very much.